Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Wednesday, July the 12th. My name is Barry Anderson, the moderator of the room. If you have any questions, send it to this email. Here's how to get into the room. Free room, no strings attached. It is a completely free room. Share my screen all day long and I'm live on the mic. I start sharing my screen around 9 o'clock and get live a little bit after that, usually around 9:05 a.m. These are all Eastern Daylight Times, of course, and I go up to 3:30. And if you want to take out a subscription, there is a link you can use. And a further reminder, you'll see a link in the email that you get with this video for the test drive that starts on Monday, next Monday, Monday to Friday inclusive. That's how you can try our full package for $8.88 for the week. All right, well, kind of an interesting day, a little bit of a fun day for me also. I did a couple of Secret Santa trades. But let's take a look at SQ. If you were in the room yesterday, you know I was a little bit frustrated trying to trade this one. But I decided to bite the bullet on this one today. This is the all-time highs in this area here. And I am trying to swing this one. I've resisted trying to scalp it out, even though it got almost up to 26. I'm in right here at 25.74, and I am, because I'm trying to swing it, of course I've share sized accordingly. I've put a pretty wide stop on it. You know, it got all the way down here, did not stop me out. So anyway, we'll see if it takes out 26. It might have a nice little run in it. Take a look at the daily chart on it. Here we go. A lot of talk about a potential buyout. That's a rumor. I mean, if it happens, great. If it doesn't, well, and especially if the rumor dies, you know, this is how things like this can really collapse. However, you know, I'm willing to take the risk with the number of shares I have. Let's see now. Enva was from Holly. Turned out to be a pretty good trade. Here was the 15-minute chart here. Here was the alert at 1610. Excuse me, got into the trade. Kind of popped around a little bit. Got into the trade at 1620. Hit a high of 1655. I sold some on the way up at 1640, and then I think it was at 1633. I think it was 12 or 13 cents on the last bit. So not a bad trade from Holly. The one that didn't work out for me, it's probably working not too badly now. Yeah, 310. There was the alert, 310. I got into the trade at 312. It had a little pop, little bit of a pop. In fact, there it is up to 319. Didn't sell it there. Probably should have. And then as it came back down, I decided to get out. I don't trust these shippers. You probably know that if you've been in the room. And let's see. This was my little crazy one, a little Secret Santa play. Now, in case you don't know what I'm talking about, sometimes there are stocks that I mention and that I get into on my own. One of the reasons why, you know, I saw this one on an alert I had, or I can't even remember. You know, to be honest, I don't know why I saw this one, but I did see it. Looked interesting on this break here. The volume was very low though, so it's hard for me to, you know, to call something that when the volume is very low. I don't mind it on Holly because Holly is statistically at least back tested and the volume might pick up. But on this particular one, you know, I just decided to take it on my own, and man, did it ever work. I got into this one at 23.20, right about here. In fact, it was right here. I guess it was at the top. And look what it did. I mean, 23.89. I wish I could say I got... I'm sorry. I got in at 23.20 up here, right? Not here. So 23.20. I knew that candle wasn't right. So right about here, close enough. Right about there, and man, what a pop it had! And so I was able to sell some out, and then it just collapsed after that, and that was what I was afraid of. So that was my first Secret Santa. The next one, and actually I see it's come back. Next one I called, and this was something for my evening scan, and I got into the trade at 36, I think it was about 36.10, sold out at 36.02 as it broke down through 36. I notice it has come back. I'm going to put an alert right there. I may in fact end up taking that trade again. And I am still in this one from Holly. Ah, nice. This is starting to work out pretty well here. This is something that if you look on the daily chart, and here's the alert, by the way, Holly, 1308 is the alert. Take a look at the daily on it. I believe this is an all-time high. Had a nice day yesterday before it pulled back. It broke over 13. I decided to take the trade. I got in at 1315. At 1315, right about here. So it's, you know, it's not been spectacular, but slow and steady so far. So, and who knows by the end of the day. And I'm maybe getting out of this one. I am in this one, BLFS. Love the daily on this. Take a look at the daily. Back it out just a little bit further. You'll see what I'm looking at. So, you know, I had a tremendous day almost a year ago, July the 8th last year. So it popped up to here. And, you know, it's had a couple of nice days last week, kind of consolidating a bit, and then the pop over 3 convinced me that maybe I should take this trade. So I'm in this one at 314, so I'm a little underwater on it. I'm in right there. But if it does, as long as it holds 3, I'll probably keep it. So see what happens. And let's see what else. That is about, yeah, that's about it. So while, I mean, there are so many great traders in our trading room, you know, Dusty, Real, and I to come to the top, Mick. I mean, there are so many really good traders in our trading room. It's not about me telling you what to buy and sell all day long. Of course, you know, I am going to announce when I'm in trades and all that, but I'm more there as a moderator. Of course, I'll announce my trades and try to help people use the program. And especially next week, we'll have a lot of probably new people in the room, so a lot of my focus next week will be on helping people use the program, trying to understand it, probably be a little light on the trading. So, but please come into the room. It's free, of nothing to lose, as they say, and I think you'll be very impressed. All right, that is it. Let me just bring in my little icon here, and I will shut this down. I hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.